Good morning, students. I am Sarita from D.A.V Public School, Nagar. You know that in previous classes we completed worksheets number 1, 2, 3, 4, and today we are going to complete worksheet number 5 of gender chapter. This is second chapter of your English practice book. So let's continue it. Students, this is worksheet number 5. Students, in this worksheet, you have to turn to the page B2. Mix up at both of my English reader. Locate and write the opposite genders of those given in the blob. It means you have to write opposite gender of these words. For example, uncle is opposite word of aunt. Next, so you have to fill these blanks by yourself. In the next exercise, you have to find out common genders in the passage. So students, here you have to find out common gender in the passage of mix up at both. Students, hope you know about common genders because in previous video I have explained you what is common gender and how can you identify common gender. So students, try to read the story mix up at both and find out two common genders in the passage. Students, worksheet 5 is your last worksheet of this chapter. Next is do it yourself. In the first exercise, check your knowledge. Complete the following statements. First statement is your mother's mother is your. So students, your mother's mother is your grandmother. So you have to write here grandmother. Next is your hair is cut by a barber. So barber cut your hair. So here you have to write barber. Next is your father and mother are your. So students, your father and mother your parents. So here you have to write parents. A person who treats a patient is a. So students, here right answer is doctor because doctor treat up a patient. Next and last is a boy on his wedding day is the. So students, a boy on his wedding day is the bridegroom. The spelling is BRIDEGROOM. Students, this is next page of do it yourself. So here you have to pair them. We can see that here two column A and B. So here you have to match and arrange the following list of words in the two column. First is male column and second is female column. In column A, first word is fox. So student, what is the opposite gender of fox? Here vixen is opposite gender of fox. Next is count. Students, count means here noble man. So opposite gender of count is countess. Countess means wife of noble man. Next is mistress. So mistress is female gender. It means it is a feminine gender. And master is opposite gender of mistress. It means master is male gender and mistress is female gender. Next is peacock. And opposite gender of peacock is peahen. Peahen is female gender of peacock. It means peacock is male gender and peahen is female gender. Next and last is raw. Students, raw is female deer and his opposite gender is hurt and hurt is male deer. So here opposite word of raw is hurt. Now you have to write male gender in male column and female gender in female column. In number 3, fill in each blanks with the opposite gender of the word given in the bold letters. Here you have to fill the blanks with the opposite gender of the words given in the bold letters. For example, the Duke of the Kent was cruel, but the dash was kind-hearted. Here, Duke word written in bold letter. So you have to write opposite gender of Duke, and opposite gender of Duke is Duchess. So students, hope you can feel it by yourself. If you feel any problem to filling it, then you can contact me. Students, this is last page of this chapter. So today we completed our chapter gender. Hope you understand this chapter.